Hi you guys, welcome back to the channel, Our Relax in Life. Today we are doing another yoga practice for the morning. All right, and our practice pose that we have been doing for the month is forward fold. So I'm going to try to incorporate one pose for all of them for the whole month. All right, let's roll out our mat and let's get started. All right, if you have never done forward fold before, that's okay. We're still beginners here. There's no judgment. All right, so what you're going to do is you're going to stand on top of the mat. You can stand this way or you can stand this way so you can watch me do this. I'm gonna stand like this. So you're going to reach up and then you're gonna go down. Now you can do halfway and then go down if you want, or you can reach all the way down to your toes, or you can bend, a modified version as well. You do what feels comfortable for you. And you're gonna breathe in, you're gonna breathe out. Yoga's all about breathing. You're gonna breathe in, you're gonna breathe out. You're gonna breathe in, and you're gonna breathe out. Okay, and then you're gonna rise up. All right, reach up, stretch, reach down, go down to your toes. All right, you're gonna forward fold. If you can reach your toes, that's great. You're just gonna fold your body. You're gonna look like this on the side. All right. Now we're gonna go down. We're gonna do Cobra. So for Cobra, you're gonna get down and lift up and look straight ahead. Breathe in, breathe out. And for outward dog, you're gonna lift up a little bit more. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. All right. Now we're going to get into child's pose. So you're just going to go back, sit on your bottoms of your feet. Breathe in. Breathe in. And out. Breathe in. Breathe out. All right. Now we're going to get into downward facing dog. You can put your hands right here, put your bum up and pedal it out a little bit. Pedal this out. All right, get back into child's pose. Straightening out your back and align your spine. And don't forget to breathe. All right, now we're gonna get into a seated position. And we're gonna fold. Breathe in, breathe out. All right. We are going to thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe today. Now, I do videos like this every week. We're going to be doing yoga, meditation, and we're going to be talking about yoga as well. And thank you for watching. Bye for now.